boys and girls. I hope you all are fine. Today, I would like to share something funny with you all. One day, all my fingers wanted to be birds. So, with a hush and with a hush, with a hush and with a hush, my thumbs became the blackbirds. And it reminds me of a song. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. And now, with a hush, with a hush, with a hush, with a hush, my index fingers became the owls. Two little owls sitting on a pole. One named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. And now with a hush, with a hush, with a hush, with a hush, my middle fingers became the pigeons. And now two little pigeons flying in the sky. One named Low and one named High. Fly away low, fly away high. Come back low, come back high. And now with a hush, with a hush, with a hush, with a hush, my ring fingers became the robins. Two little robins sitting on a cloud. One named Soft and one named Loud. Fly away soft, fly away loud. Come back soft, come back loud. And now with a hush and with a hush, with a hush and with a hush, my little fingers became the blue tits. Two little blue tits sitting on a lily. One named Sirius and one named Silly. Fly away, Sirius, and fly away, Silly. Come back, Sirius, and come back, Silly. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed my fingers turning into birds and the songs. I hope you meet soon. Bye bye. See you next time.